Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to come in here and do a little pre-market prep this morning by us doing the trade ideas video over the weekend. We have a little extra time. Crude's down, VIX up a little bit. Bitcoin just hanging around that 19,000 area, I believe. Let's double check on that. Yes, still hanging around the 19,000. So still big areas coming up for that to take it out. You can see the bear flag on the daily, but we have to get above this 9 and 20 here. They've come together. You got a decent looking MACD here. We have to take those areas out. The big area for it, we've talked about this, is this 200 on the weekly. If it cannot retake that 200 on the weekly, Bitcoin will be moving down. Still watching this 17,385 for support in that area, and I'm only getting that. You would think it would be a little higher by your flag here, but I'm only taking that off the bottom of this candle. That's actually a little low. I moved it up a little bit there. So let's look at the SPY. We have gapped down a little bit, or moving down a little bit this morning. Market's pulling back. Seems to be on low volume. Watch the 200 on the 5 for support. If we don't hold here, I would look for to come down and retest the ascending triangle to see if maybe we can find support there. Obviously, watch Friday's high for the upside, Friday's, low for the downside. We also have fib levels. Let's go over them. So the first fib level to the upside is 384.10. We have quite considerable amount of room to the upside before we get there, but that would be the next area to watch. You can also see that this gap is previously filled. So just trying to make this quick. OXY, Buffett bought more, so that is on the radar. Like I say, crude's actually down a little bit, so that's one to watch. The 6160 level, we need to take that out to the upside. This is a huge level here that we have respected and seen reactions at many times. So that's the level we want to watch to the upside. Watch 5679 to the downside. Tesla, as always, is on my radar. I trade Tesla daily. You can see here on the 30, we've been in this area for a few days. Definitely, this is the area to watch right here. Draw a line right across there. We'll go ahead and draw it now. This is definitely an area to watch. We need to take this out to the upside. To be super bullish on this, once again, if we do try to push today, watch your 200 out on your 30, your 15, watch the 71103 level. Right now, this is the biggest area to watch on the way up. See if we can get this a little bit better. So 686-ish area. Keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at it on the 15. You can see it's moving with the market. It's already put in a lower high. You have a high, lower high. So see where this goes. See if we can put in a lower low to be in a downtrend. Numbers come in over the weekend, delivery numbers and all that. Just a lot going on with Tesla. It actually also got a downgrade. Banks were really strong Friday. They're trying to hold in here. Wells Fargo, watch Friday's high. We're right there. If we can take that out, then watch for bullish. If we get rejected there, watch for bearish. Wells Fargo, Bank of America are the two I like to trade most. Bank of America showing a little bit of weakness here. Goldman Sachs. I don't trade Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan much, but they are opportunities as well. Definitely not as strong. Wells Fargo seems to be the one there to watch. Yeah, JP Morgan looks terrible. Seeing some energy names up on the scanner, like OVV. Also seen a lot of, not even sure why it's on the scanner. It's just been all over the place this morning. Scanner must not be updating. Seen some names Friday afternoon, like Venom, some other energy names were on the scanner Friday afternoon. You can see they popped up. Not sure what's going on there. Check on the Chinese sector. You can see we've gapped up this morning. It's pulling it back. It looks like it's trying to get this gap back. Watch Friday's high. If we, can't hold there, watch this base it put in pre-market or after hours. I'm sorry. Look at Neo. Trying to be as quick as I can about this video. Neo is pulling back pretty decently here. Lee's holding it a little better. Once again, watch this after hours. Watch Friday's. Well, not really Friday's high in this situation, but watch this level here. In the after hours base we put in, maybe able to come back and get a retest, possibly of that 200 and possibly push. Has to take the VWAP out. If it just does push, of course, keep an eye on Friday's high, which would be, your opening candles back here. Got a few small caps to take a look at as well. We've been posting to Facebook, Twitter this morning with these. Just trying to share some trading ideas. So this Pop Friday, we actually talked about this because we had caught a lot of news coming in. This pop was come across the squawk. So we put in this tabletop here. Look for a retest of that, possibly. You're looking like this line right here. That's what I posted. So let's go ahead and move this line. This is what we're looking for. Try to get above the VWAP there. You want to be above your VWAP and your 9. You want your 9 to also be up here, not down here below it, but you want to get everything up here along the lines of the VWAP and watch your downtrend here. If you can get above that downtrend, this is likely to push. This is more of a FOMO, just a FOMO trade. If the market comes in, traders will run their scans in the morning. They'll see this thing has moved. It's moved a considerable amount this morning. Looks like about 18% or so. According to the scanner, people are going to be like, oh, and just basically be like, oh, I missed it. And they'll run in here and FOMO. Let them FOMO. We don't FOMO. We let them FOMO. Not that we want to take advantage of anybody, but if they're going to make the mistakes, then we're going to come in here and capitalize on them. Another one that we have posted this morning is RMED. This had a nice push here. It's putting a base in right now, putting a flag in right here, right now on top of the VWAP. Your 9's catching up on your 5. This thing's probably getting ready to pop. We got to get this video out. You can see a nice flag here above your VWAP. Same setup. Watch this right here. That's what you want to be above. You take that downtrend out, this thing will probably push. And this is the type of play that they come in and simply just FOMO on. One more. This one, not so well. It was trying to do something this morning, but it's very, very choppy. Definitely low on volume. Has to get back above the VWAP. Want to keep an eye on this because this may be the big runner of the day. Sometimes these ones that just look a little sloppy can sometimes surprise you. This also may be a decent short play if you can't take out your 50 and your 20 to the upside. Your 9 right now, you're flagging below your 9. This could be have some short opportunity. Watch your MACD. You can see character change in that. Well, I hope traders and investors are green today, and I hope to see you in the trading room. Everybody have a good day.